In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a label to a file in Zoho WorkDrive. Labels are a great way to keep your files organized, easy to find, and grouped by category, project, or priority. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact clicks you need to make, and I'll also share a few tips so you understand what's happening at each step. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho WorkDrive account and that you're in the main interface. To begin, look at the left-hand side of your screen and locate the option labeled My Folders. This is where your personal folders and files are stored. Go ahead and click on My Folders. This will open up a view of all the folders and files that belong to your private space. Next, find the specific file you want to add a label to. Once you see it in the list, move your mouse to the left side of that file name. You'll see a small checkbox appear beside the file. Click on that box to select the file. When the file is selected, it tells WorkDrive that any actions you take next should apply to this particular file. With the file selected, look for the three vertical dots, often called the More Options or Three Dots menu, typically located near the file name or in the toolbar. Click on these three dots. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to managing and organizing your file. From this menu, look for the option labeled Organize, and click on it. The Organize section is where you can change where the file lives, how it's grouped, and which labels are associated with it. Inside the Organize options, you'll see an item called Label. Click on Label. This will open a panel or a small window showing the list of labels that are available in your WorkDrive environment. Now, simply choose the label you want to apply to this file. Click on the label you prefer, and it will be assigned to the file. Depending on your setup, you may be able to select more than one label, which can be useful if a single file belongs to multiple